Which one of the following is considered the Magna Carta of the Indian people? Options are A. The Government of India Act, 1858. B. The Albert Bill. C. Indian Councils Act of 1892. D. Queen Victoria's Proclamation. Correct answer is D. Queen Victoria's Proclamation. Who started the Indian Reforms Association in 1870? Options are A. Narayan Guru. B. Swami Vivekananda. C. Krishna Swami Iyer. D. Keshav Chandra Sen. Correct answer is D. Keshav Chandra Sen. When was First Anglo-Sikh War fought? Options are A. 1846 AD. B. 1826 AD. C. 1725 AD. D. 1816 AD. Correct answer is A. 1846 AD. First Anglo-Sikh War fought between? Options are A. The English and French. B. The English and Portuguese. C. The English and Sikh Empire. D. None of the above. Correct answer is C. The English and Sikh Empire. The universities of Calcutta, Bombay and Madras were set up in which year? Options are A. 1859. B. 1857. C. 1863. D. 1847. Correct answer is B. 1857. Indian National Congress was founded during whose term among the following in 1885? Options are A. Lord Canning. B. Lord Dufferin. C. Lord Curzon. D. Lord Bentinck. Correct answer is B. Lord Dufferin. Great game is a term used for the strategic rivalry and conflict between which of the following? Options are A. British Empire and Russian Empire. B. British Empire and French Empire. C. British Empire and Portuguese Empire. D. British Empire and Chinese Empire. Correct answer is A. British Empire and Russian Empire. Who led the revolt of 1857 in Coimbatore? Options are A. Deepuji Rana. B. Surender Sai. C. Mool Bagal Swami. D. Rao Tularam. Correct answer is C. Mool Bagal Swami. Where did the first joint session of Indian National Congress, INC, and Muslim League took place? Options are A. Pune. B. Calcutta. C. Karachi. D. Lucknow. Correct answer is D. Lucknow. Who among the following introduced the permanent settlement of Bengal? Options are A. Warren Hastings. B. Mountbatten. C. Lord Cornwallis. D. William Bentinck. Correct answer is C. Lord Cornwallis. Who is called the real founder of the Portuguese Empire in India? Options are A. Almeida. B. Vasco da Gama. C. Albuquerque. D. Nano da Cunha. Correct answer is C. Albuquerque. The Treaty of Yandabu was signed in which year? Options are A. 1824. B. 1826. C. 1828. D. 1831. Correct answer is B. 1826. When did the Indigo Revolt take place? Options are A. 1859. B. 1860. C. 1863. D. 1866. Correct answer is A. 1859. Who of the following is the first Governor-General of British occupied India? Options are A. William Bentinck, B. Warren Hastings, C. Lord Minto, D. Lord Canning. Correct answer is A. William Bentinck. Which of the following commission was appointed by Lord Curzon to inquire into the working of police administration? Options are A. Macdonald Commission, B. Relay Commission, C. Fraser Commission, D. Punchy Commission. Correct answer is C. Fraser Commission. Which of the following was the immediate cause of the Great Revolt of 1857? Options are A. Unpopular revenue settlement of the British, B. Corrupted company administration, C. Introduction of Enfield rifle, D. Forceful religious conversion. Correct answer is C. Introduction of Enfield rifle. Simon Commission was appointed during which of the following viceroy? Options are A. Lord Irwin, B. Lord Reading, C. Lord Hardinge II, D. Lord Linlithgow. Correct answer is A. Lord Irwin. Who of the following opined the Government of India Act of 1935 as Charter of Slavery? Options are A. Dadabhai Naoroji, B. Jawaharlal Nehru, C. C.R. Das, D. Motilal Nehru. Correct answer is B. Jawaharlal Nehru. Which of the following was the first newspaper in India? Options are A. Bengal Gazette, B. Samachar Darpan, C. The Gazette of India, D. Bombay Herald. Correct answer is A. Bengal Gazette. Which of the following was the first Governor-General of Bengal? Options are A. Lord Clive, B. Warren Hastings, C. Lord Wellesley, D. Lord Hastings. Correct answer is B. Warren Hastings. Bhagat Singh, Rajguru, and Sukhdev were hanged during the reign of which of the following Viceroy of India? Options are A. Lord Curzon, B. Lord Irwin, C. Lord Minto, D. Lord Chelmsford. Correct answer is B. Lord Irwin. Who established Prarthana Samaj in Bombay? Options are A. Keshav Chandra Sen, B. Devendra Nath Tagore, C. Raja Ram Mohan Roy, D. Mahadev Govind Ranade. Correct answer is D. Mahadev Govind Ranade. Who was the Nawab of Bengal during Battle of Plassey? Options are A. Mir Jafar, B. Mir Qasim, C. Sirajuddaulah, D. None of the above. Correct answer is C. Sirajuddaulah. The Portuguese governor who abolished sati in Goa was? Options are A. Albuquerque, B. Almeida, C. Cabral, D. De Braganza. Correct answer is A. Albuquerque. Agriculture is the soul of India. Who has given this statement? Options are A. Jawaharlal Nehru, B. Mahatma Gandhi, C. Dr. Zakir Hussain, D. Lala Lajpat Rai. Correct answer is B. Mahatma Gandhi. The Gandhi-Irwin Pact was associated to which of the following movements of India? Options are A. Rolat, B. Civil disobedience, C. Non-cooperation, D. Quit India. Correct answer is B. Civil disobedience. Who was the founder of the Andhra Mahila Sabha? Options are A. Pandita Ramabai, B. Durgabai Deshmukh, C. Gayatri Devi, D. Sarojini Naidu. Correct answer is B. Durgabai Deshmukh. Who was the first woman president of the Indian National Congress? Options are A. Kasturba Gandhi, B. Sarojini Naidu, C. Annie Besant, D. Aruna Ali. Correct answer is C. Annie Besant. Who was the first Indian woman president of the Indian National Congress? Options are A. Sarojini Naidu, B. Annie Besant, C. Gayatri Devi, D. Aruna Ali. Correct answer is A. Sarojini Naidu. Who introduced the dual government system in 1765? Options are A. Robert Clive, B. Warren Hastings, C. Lord Cornwallis, D. Lord Wellesley. Correct answer is A. Robert Clive. Who established the Atmiya Sabha, a precursor in the socio-religious reforms in Bengal? Options are A. Vivekanand, B. Dayanand Saraswati, C. Raja Ram Mohan Roy, D. Aurobindo. Correct answer is C. Raja Ram Mohan Roy. In which year did Warren Hastings become the first Governor General in India? Options are A. 1780, B. 1770, C. 1773, D. 1775. Correct answer is C. 1773. Who was the first and last Governor General of Free India? Options are A. Chakravarti Rajgopalachari, B. Warren Hastings, C. Dr. Zakir Hussain, D. Lord Clive. Correct answer is A. Chakravarti Rajgopalachari. Who was the first Muslim president of the Indian National Congress? Options are A. Abul Kalam Azad, B. Rafi Dhemmat Kidwai, C. Badruddin Tayyabji, D. Hakim Ajmal Khan. Correct answer is C. Badruddin Tayyabji. Who was founded the Gadar Party at San Francisco, USA in November 1913? Options are A. Madam Bikaji Kama, B. Lala Hardayal, C. Shyamji Krishna Verma, D. Sharat Chandra Chatterjee. Correct answer is B. Lala Hardayal. The Government of India Act of 1935 borrowed its preamble from? Options are A. The Constitution of the USA, B. The Constitution of Australia, C. The Government of India Act of 1919, D. Pitt's India Act. Correct answer is C. The Government of India Act of 1919. Who started the first English newspaper, Bengal Gazette, in India? Options are A. Bal Gangadhar Tilak, B. Raja Ram Mohan Roy, C. J. A. Hickey, D. Lord William Bentinck. Correct answer is C. J. A. Hickey. The first woman to become a chief minister of any state in India was? Options are A. Nandini Satpathy, B. Dr. J. Jayalalitha, C. Sucheta Kriplani, D. Ms. Mayawati. Correct answer is C. Sucheta Kriplani. Who is the author of Vande Mataram? Options are A. Mahatma Gandhi, B. Rabindranath Tagore, C. Bankim Chandra Chatterjee, D. Sharat Chandra Chatterjee. correct answer is C. Bankim Chandra Chatterjee, who is regarded as the father of modern India. Options are A. Raja Ram Mohan Roy, B. Swami Dayananda Saraswati, C. Sri Aurobindo, D. Bhagat Singh. Correct answer is A. Raja Ram Mohan Roy. The most important feature of the Government of India Act of 1919 was? Options are A. Enlargement of Indian councils, B. Provision for direct election, C. Diarchy in the provinces, D. All the above. Correct answer is D. All the above. Which of the following newspaper was started by Annie Besant? Options are A. The Hindu, B. Indian Express, C. The Times of India, D. New India. Correct answer is D. New India.